Kids, let's learn the short vowel sound. B, E, D, bed, T, O, P, top, B, A, G, bag, F, I, S, H, fish, V, U, G, bug. Like, subscribe, and share my channel.
Thank you.